What is going on, guys? So today I'm going to show you how to upgrade weapons in Elden Ring. So basically, to upgrade a weapon in Elden Ring, you're going to need a blacksmith, and there's two key blacksmith locations. Number one is for early game here at the Church of Ela before you unlock the round table hold. If you come here to this location, you'll see there's like an anvil. There might be a blacksmith here as well, but I'm later in the game. So if you use the table, you can see the option for strength and armament here. And basically this table lets you upgrade things up to +3, but after that you need a more experienced blacksmith, which is the one at the round table hold. So like let's just upgrade one of these. For example, you'll see these are level 1. I'm upgrading them to level 1, so I'll need a smithing stone 1. So if I upgrade it here, you'll see it is now dagger +1, and it'll be dagger +2 next. Dagger +2, dagger +3, and then it doesn't let me do it further at this table. Okay, so that's the first location, and then the second location we'll need to go to upgrade things further is here at the Lost Table of Grace, which is at the Round Table Hold. You upgrade or you unlock the Round Table Hold after you meet Melina at a Site of Grace. That's pretty early on in the game, so don't worry too much after you clear the Church of Ela area. But anyways, to talk to the blacksmith here, you're going to want to follow along this side, and he is always going to be alive no matter what state of the game you're in, and you talk to him right here. And you can strengthen armament, and as you can see, that dagger +4, I can now make it a dagger +5 because he just lets you upgrade it to max. So what is max? Let's get into that a little bit. So go to your inventory and then go over to the stones tab here. So we'll be able to see the different types of smithing stones. These are what are used to upgrade your weapons. So as you can see, smithing stone 1 upgrades your weapons up to +3. From level 1 to level 2, maybe it needs only 1 or 2 smithing stones. From level 2 to level 3, maybe you'll need 4. So the higher you go, the more it'll cost, and eventually you can't do it anymore. So once you're level 3, you're going to need these level 2 smithing stones to upgrade your weapon up to +6, and so forth. Smithing stone 3 up to +9, 4 up to +12, 5 up to +15, 6 up to +18, 7 up to +21, and the max level is +25. But you'll see it goes from smithing stone 8, there's a smithing stone 9, and then, actually no, it goes smithing stone 8, and this is the max one. So +25 is the max you can upgrade a regular weapon to. A regular weapon as in not a special weapon which you get from a boss, like a boss soul, that you craft it into a boss weapon, or maybe just a special weapon in general that has like a special ability. You'll know because it'll tell you what it costs to upgrade it. So these special weapons, they'll take somber smithing stones. Basically, scrolling down too far here, but these somber smithing stones, I'm using my mouse, they're found in more rare locations. They're typically found near mini bosses or in treasure chests. These are for only legendary or boss weapons, like an example of that is the Moonveil Katana. But anyways, you'll see that Somber Smithing Stone 1 will upgrade 1 to +1, 2 to +2, 3 to +3, 4 to +4. Something to note is it's going to cost only 1 each time you upgrade it. So it's different than the regular smithing stones. If you just use one of them, it'll automatically upgrade your weapon to +5, +6, +7, +8, +9, and as you can see, the max for a boss weapon you can do is +10, and this one's called a Somber Ancient Dragon Smithing Stone. You only get a few of these in the game. I'm in New Game Plus, and I only have 2, but I've also maxed out a few weapons. So I think you might get like 4 per playthrough-ish. Prove me wrong in the comments, let me know. But yeah, so how to find these smithing stones early on if you're new to the game. So basically, open up your map, press the select button. I've marked down some locations here. So the Limgrave tunnels will drop you some smithing stones. Basically anything that's a cave or a tunnel or something like a, let me see what else is there. There's also a crystal tunnel as well. So I'll show you that. But yeah, there's this for early game. There's also one up here that I haven't gotten. It is called the Murkwater Cave. And then further down here, which is a pretty early game area, there's also the Morn Tunnel right here. So is covered up by the symbol, but you'll see like a black circle with like a red outline to it. That'll usually indicate that it's a cave. I've explored pretty much all of them in this playthrough, so you'll see a symbol over all of them. But another one that's good right here is the Rhea Lucaria Crystal Tunnel. This one's really good for early game. Recommend going here. You'll get some, I'm not sure if it's +4s or +5 stones, but yeah, good stuff. So that's a few locations. Hopefully that's enough of an explanation. Let me show you an example of a boss weapon real quick. So strength and armament. This one is a somber smithing stone weapon. So as you can see, I need 1 somber smithing stone 1, and it costs 650 runes to upgrade this one time. So we can do that. And now I need 1 somber smithing stone 2 to make it level 2, and it costs 975 runes. So that's pretty much it. And you'll see these are regular smithing stones. This one's like a legendary weapon or a boss weapon. Same with this one. You just see what it costs to upgrade, basically. So that's pretty much it, guys. Bows are the same. You can upgrade your shield, but you can't upgrade your armor in this game. So that's a little different from other Souls games. But yeah, that's it, guys. Drop any comments, any questions you got in the comments. Drop a like if you found this helpful, and thanks for watching. See ya.